This is Ground Media UG. Godbest Entertainment.
Thank you, Izo. Thank you, Glenn. Thank you, Max. Thank you guys for being here. Mega kukosoka. Sasa kamili niliomba. Namuuliza how is mommy? How is mommy? You pray for my brother is sick. Namugamba namba ye. Mukubire katene kwa. Katesi ndilala makufuna ntiya. So, but we send you prayers. Tell the family tight up with you. But every family goes through stuff. True or false? Okay. Since the death of radio, it's looking at the hand in the grenade again. I wanted to say hello to Weasel and radio. And I was so nervous. Earlier Washington DC, they remember, I'm in a car. Oh, why? Pastor Fetoli International, God is in the Lord is in the Gary, nobody Gary. Nobody knows so beautifully young one. I will go to see Musumba kati wanataka kwa mzee wako ndio tikike concert ya Cosmo kaina Mungu ya kati wizo ndio mtoliwa wao bila wale wote wanaiwa wao bila hii bila ka best man at your take say I need to try to cause the final before because I have to catch time. What really happened to you when radio died? How was it? Jina tuko bidi kosa na mwenyeji ni music ga oyimba manyete kuyimba na muntu studio manye pastor studio ngoma nyingi oyimba kufasi olina ingirawo awe mujjanga mwemba ekyo nga nakyo tekikyasomokanga kizibu n'ekirala emikwano weyafa wenategera emikono gyange emituufu ng'olujja lukeera lulimu abantu bangi nnyo nnyo ne kasita yafa nga n'akagala tekayitawo okulya muddo amaanyi ga Katonda ndi bugumu n'emikwano gyange gyensabira ngekenene tubeera bagumu n'obiyitamu Stereo tafadhali. Kana hiyo yetu abirana na yiko prime time makelele katika manyiko ya muzimu yate chirusa ate chinatelo muzimu nayo bagamba ate muzimu ebintu gye nyimba mu mukanga nnyo so what surprised me is you left everything, no Jamaica, no Bahaka, no Zizamwa, you made life so easy. And I want to open you for this. I'll never forget that scenario. You really attended Pastor Dudena and the final Imbabu very Kani, now one Kani. And I'm telling you, I'm going to have a Kani. I'll close in 2 minutes. What is inachochekuza kuseleko ninachokuza brother unachokuza kitu chichewimaliza Katonda cheche nebaliza Katonda okusinga like if God comes right now mwebaza emikwano emirungi n'abantu bange n'omwoje n'omwonya kizibu ki bambi Katonda yabampa waliwo olugano bati n'aba beyampa n'omukyalo mulungi naye tufuna ebizibu tutiwaka atanze okusaba namba kati gwe tokyasaba tulina okusaba zoyansonga nnyo z'okukalusa njagala kwebaliza ddala okumpa baganda bange alasooka miliyoni bambi bambirirawo nnyo byenyinza omweyaza okujjako ne talanta empitirivu ekulukutanga amazzi ngezaako pasita sinatandika ntandika butambizi ayogera kale kubanyemeramu when the good Lord leads my way I can never lose my way. When the good God leads my way, she leads my way, leads my way. When the good God leads my way, I can never lose my way. When the good God leads my way, I lead my way, he leads my way. Kyensaba Katonda ge magezi amangi ennyo wisdom musaba obulamu musaba okuwangaala musaba ayongere ku mukwano kuba mungi nnyo njagala ayongeremu overdose njagala ayongeremu overdose kuba mungi nnyo kumala naye ate batuloze bakalekula batukyala waifu musumba kama yalileta wewe so this is your wife? Yes. And this is your son? Mwita Joseph ono mwana mwita Star Mayanja. Welcome to church.
Thank you, Pastor. Praise God.
Thank you.
Today, as we are going up, we will not so great upon church. I think that's a blessing.
Welcome to church.
Thank you.
Are you a believer?
Yes, I am a believer.
Most of the celebrity wives are believers.
Yes, I am also a believer.
Welcome to church.
Praise God.
Kakati mubano mubasajja bonna balonde mubuzo. Sorry. I'm kidding. Abalungi tebogera nnyo mwetulire. So is there anything on your heart? And okay, so far so good. Mwebalisazo maze munteramo. Ndi mugumu tusikyayibya esaala zimala mumazi. Ndi mugumu y'emisimu. Naasomesa okulaba nti olina omukyala ewaka. Kubanga twagenda tukweraliikirira nnyo. Kubanga siba naye nze ndi okay. Naye gwe otobadde okay. Nsanyuse nnyo. Palasali. Palasali okay. Ate Camille. Ne Camille nali okay. Ffenna tuli fine. So far so good. Naliyo nga mufiiriddwa your brother. The big brother. Humphrey. How is mommy and daddy? Yeah, they're okay. I want to feel.
Ground TV, 100% entertainment.